Let's be honest, most app reviews sugarcoat things, but not here. Before we dive into this no-nonsense, brutally honest showdown between Hushed and Burner, don't forget to like and subscribe, because you deserve real talk, not marketing fluff. Both apps promise to be your digital magic wand for private, temporary phone numbers. Need to ghost your ex or keep that weird online sale discreet? They've got your back. But which one actually delivers? And which one makes you want to throw your phone into the nearest lake? Starting with Hushed. It's like the Swiss Army knife of second numbers. You can get numbers from over 60 countries, choose local area codes, and even get multiple numbers on one device. The app supports texting, calling, and voicemail like a champ. Users love the flexibility of prepaid plans or monthly subscriptions. But here's the catch. Call quality and SMS reliability can be a mixed bag, often depending on your carrier and location. So your perfectly crafted ghost text might end up lost in the void. Also, the interface feels a tad antiquated, like looking at a relic from the early 2000s. Still, it's functional and packed with features that users swear by. Oh, and beware of occasional hiccups with number recycling. Past users sometimes still get calls meant for you. A headache, but manageable. Then there's Burner. Sleek, modern, and yes, it looks like it took lessons from fancy dating apps on how to charm users. Burner shines with its easy setup, integration with contacts and other apps, and promise of instant disposable numbers with burn timers. The UX is crisp, notifications timely, and customer support surprisingly responsive. However, it's pricier. That burn timer feature? It's handy but locked behind premium tiers, which feels like paying for features you thought were basic. Some users complain about sporadic bugs and the app randomly logging them out. A little too dramatic for a burner number. The downside? Burner numbers mostly focus on North America, limiting globals. So, what's the verdict? Go with Hushed if you want global coverage, multiple numbers, and don't mind wrestling with occasional quirks and an old-school UI. It's the DIY kit of burner apps. Choose Burner if you want a polished, user-friendly app with stellar North American coverage and don't mind paying extra for premium convenience. Neither app is flawless. They're tools to cloak, not miracles to vanish your number completely. Pick based on your priorities. Global reach and volume versus slick UX and North American focus. Thanks for sticking till the end. Please like and subscribe for brutally honest app reviews that save your time and sanity.